This is Carl with the three things I'm watching for Tuesday, March the 4th. Starting out, we got the census ethanol and soybean crush numbers after the close yesterday. Ethanol came out 457 million bushels of corn usage in the month of January. That was down 5% from December, up 4% from January 2024. Soybean crush came in just a little bit above trade expectations, 212.5 million bushels. Trade was expecting around 211. That was still, as expected, down from December, where we had 217 million bushels, up a little bit from last January. The big takeaway from the monthly crush report, though, meal and oil stocks both 7 month highs. So we actually saw a build. The meal, not too surprising. The soy oil, that caught trade a little bit by surprise. Could see something in crush margins on that today. Speaking of margins, we're starting to see some ethanol plants take early downtime for spring maintenance. Could impact our ethanol production. We thought we would see maybe a touch of this last week. We didn't. Looking to see a little bit this week. We could see a little more maintenance. Just poor margins. A lot of ethanol plants just chugging along, but other ones just throwing in a towel and say we'll shut down, do maintenance for a while, and maybe by the backside of that, spring driving demand will be picking up, and we'll see a little bit more ethanol consumption. So that's kind of what we're seeing take place there in the ethanol side. And the other one, we have been seeing several small sales come in for exports again, export sales. And again, this is really benefiting corn. Yesterday we did have a sale to Mexico announced, but we've had a lot of these smaller feed grain sales to South Korea. Several other buyers in taking these. We'll see if that string continues and gives us a little bit more consumption that we've been expecting. And of course, as a bonus feature in today's update, we do have the tariffs went into effect overnight. 25% on Canada and Mexico, another 10% on China. We're going to see retaliation from China. This is getting real, and this is why we're seeing the market collapse here. Guys just not comfortable with this tariff talk. Traders aren't comfortable with it, and our import buyers are starting to show a little bit less patience with the United States. We'll put it that way. The longer these tariffs stay on and the more we see put on, the more market pressure we're going to see, unfortunately. So there is the fourth thing for today.